Today, I'm going to show you how to make papaya salad. You'll need papaya, shredded to be exact, peanuts, about a quarter cup, 1 whole lime, dehydrated shrimp, garlic, and fish sauce. You'll also need red pepper flakes and string beans. This particular variety is long string beans, but you can also use the regular variety. A bowl for crushing, brown sugar, about 2 tablespoons, a device for crushing. Did I say that twice? Let's get started by taking these string beans and cutting them into 1-inch portions to go inside of the salad. Please be careful not to injure yourself. Take the string beans and place them into the bowl, a mixing bowl to be precise. Next, you open up the shredded papaya and take about 2 cupfuls of papaya and add it to the bowl. Next, you take the cloves of garlic and shrimp into the bowl for crushing. You'll take a device and crush the ingredients together, making sure the flavor permeates each other. If the shrimp does not crush into the portions that you would like, you can take your hand and tear the shrimp into smaller portions for the salad. Continue to crush after you've teared the portions apart. This will further permeate the flavors together all in one. Next, add the sugar to the bowl and then continue to crush the ingredients together, stirring occasionally to make sure that all the ingredients are permeated. Add red pepper flakes on top of the concoction, and then take your crushing device and continue crushing the ingredients together. Add fish sauce. I prefer to add 1 tablespoon. Some people add a little bit more. It all depends on your taste. Crush again. Doing this will mix all of the ingredients, the shrimp, the garlic, the sugar, the pepper flakes, the fish sauce will all be combined to one. In the end, squeeze some lime. I prefer half a lime, but some people prefer more lime. It all depends on your taste. Continue to crush and stir the concoction. And after you've stirred the concoction completely, you'll take this sauce and you'll pour it on top of the papaya and string beans. Once you've completed that, you'll take your device and mix together papaya, the string beans, the shrimp, the garlic, the brown sugar, the pepper flakes, the fish sauce. And that's how you make papaya salad. Absolute goodness if you ask me.